So first, I want you all to go to your Google's account. I want you to type in matching vocabulary first. Matching worksheet. I then want you to go to images, and you'll scroll down until you see this one that says vocabulary matchup. I will then need you to hit the control button on the bottom left hand of your keyboard and tap the right side of your keypad and hit save image as. And it's easier if you download it to your desktop. Hit save, and then it'll pop up in your on the side of your desktop. So then you'll open up a Word document. You'll then click a blank document. You will drag the vocabulary worksheet onto the blank document. And then you see how it's like a drag one. I will need you to go to draw and click a color. Let me see if I can add a color. Go to pencil. Well, you could use highlighter or whatever color you want to use, just so it will show up on my screen. Drag it however you want to match the definition. If you mess up, just hit the back button. And then I will then want you to finish that. And they're pretty simple, so you should know. Just copy it to whatever definition. And then instead of putting your name on this document, I want you to go to home and then you'll be able to add a text right here, and I just want you to put your name, whatever your first and last name, and then it will show me which student this is. And then simply I would want you to go to download it to your desktop. So it'll say you should probably change this to vocabulary and hit save, so it adds it to your vocabulary. I then will need you to go to your Google email. I will need you to add compose. Type my email in there into the top bar where it says to. And then in the subject, I would like you to put vocabulary worksheet and put dash and then your name. And then you will go down to this little paper clip down here. And then you'll go to desktop, and then this will be your updated vocabulary, the one you just did. And then I will just need you to hit send right here. And just make sure there's a recipient in there that will receive it. And then I will be able to open your documents and create your worksheet.